Taking a nice bite of this Nashville chicken. Dude was up on Facebook eating this chicken. So let me tell you how it tastes. Oh damn. Woo! That's some good stuff. Boy! Make you want to slap your mama. Nah, make you want to slap somebody else's mama. Oh. No man. Oh my gosh. They ain't lying. No, dude wasn't lying about his chicken. I thought he was overreacting. Man. I want to go to my mother-in-law's house, ring the doorbell. When she answers it, slap her, walk away, and I'm done. Because it's so good, make me want to slap somebody else's mama.